Yes, YouTube, welcome back again. 2 days of consolidating. Wait, 3 days of pumping, 2 days of consolidating. Boring price action. Actually, it looks like an idiot box in the middle of the week. We're all expecting some pumpage, dumpage during New York time, but nothing happens actually, right? We're floating on the same level over and over again. What you can see literally is that they are sweeping sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity. Actually, it's just choppy price action. And what you can see is that we found support on ascending support levels now at the moment, right? I should expect downside actually, but you can see that we retraced a support line, which one I show you later on in this video. So stick to this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want more daily updates. And guys, the thing is, it's now Friday, we exiting week 4 of the month actually. And tomorrow is Saturday, so we cannot expect too much tomorrow. So I think something should happen today, right? Or on Sunday. They need to close this week out in a bottom or in the top. The thing is, we're still in consolidating. So, let me show you some TA and let me show you an update and what I'm expecting for today and for the coming days, actually for Sunday, and how we are going to close this week out. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again. And if you draw a line here, actually, we're watching at the daily time frame, by the way. I always do top-down analysis with you guys to go from the higher time frame to the lower time frame to eventually come at the 50-minute time frame to see what we can expect on the short term, right? So the thing is, if you draw a line here from this local swing low all the way up, then you can see that we have a clear support level here, right? We're retesting it, we're coming up, we're retesting here, we went through it, we fell through it, and now we found support again on this line actually. The thing is, it's also a retracement on the 786, and that's why we're consolidating, because price is a little bit stuck between support and resistance. Usually after consolidation phase, you can expect manipulation, and after manipulation you can expect expansion, right? So if we go to the lower time frame, you can literally see that we're rejecting the 786 here, right? 786 on the daily time frame. If we go to the 1 hour, you can see that the 1 hour becomes bearish again, right? So what I want to see actually is that BTC breaks this 786 or the 618. That's also this ascending support level actually. I want to see BTC break that, right? If we see rejection or that this line is respected, we can expect upside. But this can be very boring price action eventually, but after consolidation you can expect manipulation. So what I'm expecting actually for BTC now already for a couple of days is to come down again. And why is that? Because there's a fair value gap here on this daily candle. So, and actually the bottom of this fair value gap also fits in line with the 618, right? So actually what I'm expecting after consolidation in case of manipulation is that the price will come down till 103.6k, 103.7k to eventually come back up again, retrace the 786 or this ascending support level that's resistance, then to break it or to reject it, retrace and fly back up again. It's very difficult to predict what's going to happen now at this moment, but guys, in this times of consolidation and boring price action, it's just the best thing to just be patient, right? And if you want to level up your trading, go to the link in the description, join the crypto gainers, You know, we have a free Discord group where we make a lot of gains actually, and I post my daily setups in the group, which you can follow with the stop loss and limit order and take profits, right? So, you know, join the crypto gainers now and level up your trading. The thing is now it's just consolidation and we have to wait, we have to be patient, and let's go to the 15-minute time frame. The thing is now you can see that we have bearish order flow on the 15-minute, and why is that? Is because we are retracing the 618. That means that you're making lower highs actually, right? So we still have this strong support level, and we have this 618 to hold. If we lose this, we're gonna fill up this fair value gap, come for sell side liquidity to eventually retrace the 618 on the daily time frame, right? So guys, quick update on BTC. You know, like this video, subscribe to my channel, join the crypto gainers now, and level up your trading and start making gains now with me today. So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.